Decree of divine healing and restoration in the might of Yahweh. By the eternal name and sovereign power of Yahweh, the great physician and covenant keeper, we decree. We stand under the blood-soaked banner of Yeshua, and in his name, we cast down every spirit of infirmity that has waged war against our bodies, minds, and health. You are exposed, uprooted, and evicted by the authority of heaven's government. Every demonic implantation, generational curse, trauma marker, and infirm stronghold is now consumed by holy fire. We command divine reversal over every diagnosis, affliction, and disruption, be it viral, systemic, neurological, autoimmune, cellular, or chronic. Yahweh. Rapha releases healing now into every organ, artery, bone, and bloodline. Let divine regeneration come forth in marrow and membranes, joints and kidneys, memory and metabolism. We prophesy renewal over nervous systems and adrenal function, hormone alignment, gut restoration, respiratory vitality, and cardiovascular order. The breath of the Spirit is entering dry places, reviving, restoring, and resurrecting what was written off by man. Let the voice of the Lord thunder against all unauthorized sickness. We silence false reports, override hereditary patterns, and break demonic forecasts spoken over our health. Yahweh's word is final, and by it, we legislate life, wholeness, and healing. We release this decree in full alignment with heaven's design. Let it echo into every hospital room, diagnosis center, prayer closet, and battlefield. Let divine health arise. Let prophetic immunity be activated. Let the remnant be restored in body, soul, and spirit, prepared for exploits and mantled with strength. In the might and majesty of Yahweh, we declare it is so. Healing rains are falling, and infirmity has no legal ground. Amen and amen. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video so that we can take the message of the kingdom of heaven to the nations.